everybody, I'm going to show my project which can interact, play and do more with you. My project's name is Mind-Bot and the main character's name is Toby. Let us start the code now. I'm clicking the green button to start this code.
Hello, I'm Toby. Please press the C button to start the storing process and the O button for the analyzing process.
I'm pressing the C button.
Please look into the camera. Analyzing. Face stored.
Now I'm going to click the O button to check if it recognizes my face.
Please look into the camera. Analyzing. Face matched. Welcome to the house. You can move me now. Use the arrow keys or the WASD combination to move me. When you're done, press the down arrow or the S button.
I'm pressing the D button right now. Now I'm pressing the S button.
You haven't taken me to the chair.
Now the down button.
You haven't taken me to the chair.
The left arrow button. And the A button. Now let me take him to the chair. Yes.
Hooray, you did it all. Okay, now I'm bored. Let's go draw something. Can you take me to the exit?
Let's take him to the exit and press.
You haven't taken me to the exit.
Come here. Yeah. Look, it's taking me him there. What?
I've switched on the switch for drawing. This is a perfect place to draw.
Here I'm going to explain my code to you. I'll start with the backdrop section. When you click this green button, it will turn off video on stage with 0% transparency and turn off everything else. It will switch it to the blank, broadcast, and then go to the loading. After that, we'll go to door 1. Now, it will broadcast the door 1 activated, which is only used in Toby. It will not allow you to drag it. It will Switch costume to Toby mouth closed, which makes it look like it's not talking. Extra precautions. Then it will say these things, and when you press the C button, it will say this. Please look into the camera, and it will turn on the video on stage with 100% transparency so that it can detect your face. Will analyze, it will add a class 1 as person 1. Classes mean like storage. Like in the first drawer, it will collect all the results and put it in there. Second drawer, another. Third drawer, another. This is in the programming. So there are 10 classes here. It will say face stored and turn off the video. Then O, it will analyze. This is all for analyzing except for this part. It will repeat 14 times next backdrop, which will look like it's opening the door. Then it will go to check if the name of the backdrop is inside house stairs, which it is. Repeat 7 times move. Now you might say there are 2 move blocks. This move and this move. Well, actually, with the move block which I created, tells it to move 5 steps and make the animation of walking, as there are costumes for making it walk. Then point in direction 11, glide there, point in direction 90, move again, hide, and do all of these things. Now you might say, what is this? You might say, what is this else block? Is it containing for this inside the if, or is it just containing for the if? Well, it's only containing for the if. The if, because it is checking if class 1 is detected. If it's not detected, it will say place does not match. Now it will start this one. It will set the can't hear counter to 0 because it can hear you until it gets into an error. It will activate and then it will do all of these things. It will set the name to speech recognition result. Like if now join let's chat name. So if your name was 0, it will say let's chat 0. This doesn't work for some reason as it takes a lot of time to load on my computer. You can check if it loads in your computer on the correct amount of time in the link in the description attached. Recognize speech and all of these questions is there. I just want to explain few parts of it because all of the rest is normal. So now this one. Can you tell me a joke? This will have another random block which I made. This is random joke. It will tell a random joke from 1 to 9. I only made 9 jokes, not more than them. If I click it, it will tell.
Meow 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 meow.
Why did I make it look at it? Okay, let's try it again. Define.
What do you call anxious dinosaurs? Nervous Rex.
Now it plays a different sound for uh, each joke, but not really different. Only 3 types are there. Now let's go down. You missed the code. Okay, so then it will broadcast the move timer inside it. The move timer is actually just like it cannot keep talking to you. So after 2 minutes, it will say, sorry to interrupt you, but I have a break time. It will move here and there, and then it will broadcast another one. Not broadcast. It will ask you to move him. If you can move him with the left and right and the worst combination. When you press the S or the down arrow, it will say you didn't move. So after that, when you're in the correct spot, it will say yes, you have taken me. Now let's go. Now let's get out of that place, and it will say, "Can you take me to the exit?" When you take him out of the exit, it will broadcast draw enable. Draw enable will allow you to draw. It will glide 1 second here. It will switch on the switch, and then it will and draw over the pencil. We'll call him pencil. Pencil will oh, you can't see this. Uh, it will turn on video on stage, show detections, and broadcast draw enable too, because this is a forever loop. It cannot do this. So broadcast draw show. It will show these things, and when it receives these, it will do the corresponding things to be the same thing. It will wait 1.9 seconds because over here it's 8.5 seconds, because it will take time for it to for this code to finish, this top part code to finish, and it will take time for its code to finish, and let this code finish. So when it touches draw pencil, it will say I should get out of here, and it will get out of here. But now when you now over here it will say press the I button to stop the code. When I press the I button, it will say broadcast the end. It will stop everything, and it will and Toby will show a sad face because it's the end. Okay, when this clicked, hide this again. The same thing, normal usual stuff. That's it about my code, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back for more, and the gamer out.